Just look at it. Doesn't it look delicious? So I am today over here to share this super tasty, super healthy recipe with you guys, because this is palak chicken or spinach chicken, and this recipe is full of goodness as it has so much goodness of calcium, iron, magnesium and all the good stuff, and protein included. So after you're done watching this video guys, if you enjoyed watching it, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know how you actually enjoyed watching this recipe, and after you try it at home, do not forget to let me know. So without any further ado, let's get into the cooking. So these are the ingredients you'll require to make this recipe. So let's look at it. We require salt as per your taste. We require turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, little bit fried garlic pieces. Also will require ginger paste, sugar, ghee, as well as chopped onions. And this is the spinach paste that we have boiled the spinach first and then added a little bit garlic as well as green chili in it. Then we have made this paste in the mixture grinder. And we require chicken. Now we'll add few bay leaves in the oil. Then we'll add the onion that I just showed you, and we'll fry the onion. Let it fry till the color becomes transparent. As you can see, this is the right texture for the onion, and this is our signal to add the chicken now. So just add the chicken in the pan now and let it fry a bit, just to make sure the chicken is well cooked. Then you can put the lid on and let it fry. Then add a little bit of salt in it. Also we'll add turmeric powder. Then mix it well with the chicken. After mixing it a bit, you will put the lid on and let the chicken cook for a bit. Then we'll add rest of the spices and cook it further. See, the chicken has almost cooked. Now I'll add a little bit of the ginger paste in it. Also the red chili powder, to add a little bit of spice to the recipe. After mixing both of those ingredients, I'll add our hero ingredient in the recipe. That is our spinach paste. That is going to give the healthy boost as well as the unique taste to this particular chicken recipe. This is a kind of a recipe which is going to, complement your taste bud as well. Your taste buds are going to thank you as well as your stomach, because this is a very healthy recipe. Also, it is very tasty. So I'll mix everything up and I'll again put the lid on and let it cook, and let the flavor of the spinach get inside the chicken pieces well. As you can see, it is almost cooked. I will now add a little bit of sugar just to balance the taste. We don't want it to taste sweet, but obviously just a little bit, so that all our spices and their flavors come together and give it a stir. And trust me guys, because this recipe is full of goodness, because if you have iron deficiency and your doctor has asked you to include a lot of green vegetables in your diet, but you are tired of eating the same old conventional palak paneer, this will be a great change in your diet. And trust me, your taste buds will thank you for including this, and you will thank me for recommending this. Alright, so the cooking is done, and just to add a little bit of Indian flavor, I'll add a little bit of garam masala to this. Also 2 teaspoons of ghee. Then give this a stir for the last time. Just to make sure everything is mixed up. And we are done with it. Just give it a boil for the last time by putting the lid on. So thank you so much for watching this recipe guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, and do not forget to let me know after you try this out at home. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel guys by pressing on the red subscribe button, and also give this video a big thumbs up and share this recipe with your friends and family. So I cannot wait any longer. I have to dive in because this is looking delicious, isn't it? So I'll see you in my next video guys. Till then, you all stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye.